I'm still sleepy, but not too sleepy for kulfi. It's Malai Kulfi. We need stick.
Yes.
First, we need a pan.
Okay.
A big pan.
Big pan, yes.
So we
You're
could fit all these things in it.
Let's get started.
Yeah.
Let's get to Mama Super Kids kitchen, right?
Yeah. Bye bye. First, we're gonna put a little bit of water so the milk doesn't stick to the pan. After that, we're gonna put some cream and condensed milk. Mixy mix mix. Now some saffron and mixy mix again. Now unsweetened milk powder. Mixy mix again. Now some pistachios that are crushed. And now some almonds that are crushed too. Cardamom and mixy mix again. The full recipe in the description below. I love kulfi and I'm excited to taste the kulfi. After about 45 minutes to an hour, you will find that the milk has thick and reached the right
Consistency.
It's time to take it off
And allow to cool completely, right?
Yeah.
Then
I
what
was
will you do?
putting it in the mold.
Yes, the best part. No,
I
it's
love.
not. Is this best part?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the second best part.
Okay. So what will be the first?
Eating it.
I knew.
Now we're gonna. After we put all of them in, we're gonna put it in the
Mold.
no,
Stick.
in the
Oh, sorry.
freezer.
Yes, freezer. Sorry.
You made a mistake too. A tiny bit of scoop. Now no more. We have still more cups, but no more holder. But we can still hold it. This one is done.
And what we need to do?
Freeze.
So how long?
For
At least 8 hours or
10.
overnight.
Yeah, all day.
So we need some wait, right?
Yeah, we need to wait.
तो उसे कौन खाने वाला था?
मैं
तो इसे कौन खाने वाला है?
वो भी मैं. Yay! My kulfi is ready. So now I have to take it off of the mold. My mom is gonna help me to get it out. I'm so excited to taste it. It looks so delicious. Yay! My kulfi got out of the mold. It tastes so delicious. I can eat it forever. Now you've got the secret recipe. Shh. See you next time. It's so delicious. Maybe you can eat it forever too. Bye bye.